Hey guys, MacTechGenius here with the all-new Blackvue DR900S 2-channel dashcam. As the packaging indicates, this dashcam records at an Ultra HD resolution of 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second. This is the 2-channel version. The rear camera records at 1080p 30 frames per second. The overall design is very similar to the previous 750S. It's insane how a camera this small can record at 4K. Everything is very nicely put together. The only difference in design is the golden ring surrounding the camera lens. The connections are the same as the previous Blackvue flagship models, so you can reuse your pre-existing dashcam wires if you already have a Blackvue installed. Coaxial connection for video and DC power input, which connects to a 12-volt power source. I'm using the Blackvue Ultra battery for my power source. I'll have a link to that in the description. I'm upgrading from the 750S so I can reuse the same wiring and mount. I currently have a 64GB card that can record 5 hours of footage at full resolution before looping over, so I plan to upgrade to a 128GB card. A 1-minute clip is about 200MB. As far as accessories, a coaxial cable and car plug is included, with the accessory kit that includes an SD card, cable clips, double-sided tape, SD card reader, and a pry tool to assist with the install. I previously did an install video with the 750S. I'll have a link to that in the description. I'll be placing the 900S in my Model 3. Swapping out the previous 750S with the 900S only took a couple of seconds. I'm using the same mount from the 750S. The only difference is cosmetics. I also swapped out the rear camera, though I believe the 750S and 900S both share the same rear camera. The dashcam blends in very nicely. I was worried that the golden ring around the lens will stand out, but the design is very subtle. Video quality, as expected, is amazing. The resolution is remarkable, about the same as a high-end GoPro. Make sure you're watching this video at full 4K resolution, and I'll also link raw video clips in the description as YouTube compresses video. I can make out the car's license plate from a great distance. The rear camera is good and the quality is about the same as the 750S. It handles exposure very well, even though sunlight is shining directly on it. License plate can be made out in about 1 car length in distance. In parking mode, I can see details very quickly, even inside a dark parking garage. Night footage is also great. The video is bright and clear. License plates can be made out from both the front and rear unit. Just a few days with the dashcam, I already captured some footage of some guy changing into the wrong lane. Parking mode is also great. As you can see, I can also capture license plates from the rear unit. The 900S also features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so downloading video is significantly faster. and video playback on the Blackvue app is also quick. I was worried that it might skip frames with 4K video playback, but it handles this very well. The mobile app features are very similar to the 750S. Check out my 750S review linked in the description for a full overview of the mobile app. But here are the differences. You have the ability to automatically upload event recordings to the Blackvue cloud if your camera is connected to the internet, such as Wi-Fi on a mobile hotspot. You can select the video codecs of your choice. H.265 is the recommended one, and here are the various resolutions and frame rates you can select. This is an amazing dash cam, and I've been very happy with the Blackvue lineup in general. They continuously push out firmware updates even on the older units with new features. I'll have pricing and additional information located in the description. Please let me know if you have any questions, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe for subsequent videos. That would be much appreciated. Thanks.